My name is Joey, and I am the CDO here at the Chemical Guys headquarters. Today, we're celebrating something special. We're celebrating the Torque Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, a product that we all know and love. We've been pushing the boundaries of foam and every single Chemical Guys product to be the next generation of car care. Come over here and let me show you a demonstration. Gone are the days of having to manually fill up your Torque Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon thanks to the power and innovation of wireless and Bluetooth technology. The all-new Bluetooth foam cannon connects directly to the clouds, automatically filling it with fresh rainwater. Let me show you a demonstration.